Assalamu alaikum.
Mohammed, why are you sad?
Because nobody not giving me in the same phone.
Okay, I'll tell you a secret which will make you so happy that keep on telling Astaghfirullah.
Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah.
Moment, a white got cut. Let's go pray.
Yay!
Ahmed, are you happy?
Yes!
I told you right. Every time when you are sad, just tell Astaghfirullah.
Astaghfirullah al-Azim.
I told you right. Whenever you are sad, you need to tell Subhanallah.